Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I'm going to show you how to make this super cool knife here, all the way from engraving with the fiber laser into the engraving with the UV laser using the new WeCreat Lumos Ultra here. And then I'm going to show you how to get the engraving really dark afterwards because UV lasers don't tend to leave a burn mark behind. And I'm going to show you the secret item that I use to get this dark towards the end of the video. With that said, I'm going to just show you the engraving of the fiber laser right now. As you can see, I went through, I think, 2 passes and 1 clean pass with the fiber laser on both sides of the knife here. It turned out fantastic. I was a little off on my alignment just because this design was not set up correctly, but I went ahead and did it the best that I could based on a photo that I took, and it turned out awesome. With that said, we're moving on to the UV laser now, and that is engraving the handle itself, which turned out fantastic, but I went and did 3 separate passes to get it really deep. That way I can darken up that setting, or darken up the engraving afterwards. Now that you guys seen the knife engrave, in order to get this engraving this dark compared to what you've seen in the actual engraving live, I went ahead and used this Rubio monocoat. It's called Intense Black here. You just rub it on with like a Q-tip in the areas that you want so it fills down into the engraving. Then you can wipe it off with like a paper towel and then like a non-scratch pad to really make that shine. You want to do this with wood that's already got a coating on it so it doesn't stain the wood around it, so like a clear coat. So make sure you do something like that. But this turned out fantastic. I really hope you guys can see that on camera. I'll put up an image if not. But this turned out so good for like a $10, $15 knife from Amazon. If you guys are interested in the knife as well, I'll go ahead and put a link down in the description below where you can get that too. And you can make your own version of this. But thanks to the WeCreat Lumos Ultra, we now have both lasers in one unit, making it capable of handling a project like this all at one time here. So if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.